friends. Today's topic is the probability. Okay, what is probability? First of all, if you have so many things, if you have a bag full of balls, okay, red, green, white, each and every color you have in your bag, and you want to have a ball of suppose red color, okay, and you have to calculate the probability of obtaining or getting a ball of red color. So how will you calculate the chance of getting that ball? And that is called the probability, the chance of happening an event. Okay, the chances of happening an event, we denote suppose by E, okay, is called the probability. And how we obtain that probability? Probability of happening an event. Event can be anything. Taking out a ball from the bag. Suppose you are tossing a coin and coin has what? Tail, head and tail. You can obtain head or tail. These are the events. So probability of event. Or you throw a dice, Ludo dice. You have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and you want to have a particular number like say 2. So what is the probability of happening an event of getting number 2? So these are all events. Now the formula for that is number of trials. Trials are means throwing or taking out ball from the bag in which the event happened, means favorable, means what you want to get, those are the favorable events, divided by total number of trials. Okay, now and suppose the value of probability always lies between 0 to 1. You can say sure event means happening of that event, chance of happening of that event are 100%. Then probability is 1. Okay. Now impossible event, there are no favorable chances of happening that, then probability's value is 0, isn't it? Now sum of the probabilities of happening and not happening, there is a bar over here, okay, and bar represents what? Not getting event. Okay, so probability of happening plus probability of not happening that event equals to 1. Done? Now students, suppose you have a question of tossing a coin. Okay, if you have a single coin, okay, single coin you have, whether you will get head or you will get tail. Okay, now I am introducing one word, sample space. Sample space includes all outcomes of that event, means event is your throwing or tossing a coin. So whether either you will get head or you will get tail. Okay, now probability of getting head, look here, this H is visible to you. Probability of getting head gives you favorable number of outcomes, you have only 1, this one, upon divided by total number of outcomes. I gave you the formula. Okay, so 1, 2, these are total number of outcomes. So you are getting probability of head equals to 1 by 2. Now if you have probability tossing 2 coins and getting head, this H is visible to you, tossing 2 coins and getting head. Now first of all you draw your sample space, because you must first take out all your outcomes with you. Now in first case you can have on both the coins head. You have your 2 coins, okay, first coin, second coin, you can get head, or you can get head on the second coin, tail, or you can get tail on first coin and head on second coin, or you can have tail on first and tail on second coin. So probability of head becomes, how many you have favorable events? 1, 2, 3. You have head here, but this is not favorable. So favorable number of outcomes are only 3. and total number of outcomes becomes 4. So probability of getting head while tossing 2 coins is 3 by 4. Now, you can have any number of trials and you can have any number of coins. So simple formula for that is 2 to the power n. N is number of trials. Okay. Suppose there are 3 coins, or the other way I can say 1 coin is tossed 3 times. The things are same. Okay. Now, so you will draw this chart like structure. Head, tail. First branch complete. Head branch into H and tail. This tail is branched into head and tail. Okay. Second branch is complete. Okay. Now, this head is branched into head and tail. And this tail is branched into head and tail. This head is again branched into head and tail. And this tail is branched into head and tail. Means each and every branch has its respective head and tails. Okay. These are 3. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 levels. If there are 3 coins, these are 3 levels. If there are 4 coins, then you will again have 1 branched structure also. Okay. Now, draw your sample space for 3 coins or 3 trials. Head, 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 written here. Head, head, tail, written here. Head, tail, head. Head, tail, tail. Tail, head, head. Tail, head, tail. Tail, tail, head. Tail, tail, tail. Means on all the 3 coins, you are getting tail, tail and tail. On the 3 coins, you are getting head, head, head. On the first 2 coins, head, head and third is tail. Okay. So simple formula becomes 2 to the power n I have written here. How many number of trials you have? 3. So power becomes 3. So this becomes 2 to the power 3. We are getting 8. Now you can count your elements in the sample space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The formula is very much true. Okay. So this is all about your favorable number of outcomes, sample space. You can have so many type of questions. 3 type of questions are very much in your exams that are repeated every session. First you have the coin questions. Second you have throwing of dice. And the third the playing cards. Okay. Now hurry up and call me. Okay. I'm waiting for your calls. This is Som Academy. Okay. And my number is 8750928836. And our address is Sector 22 Noida. But what we are having right now, work from home. So grab the opportunity of your online classes with me and have your syllabus completed on time. Thank you.